Looking for the best battery tester for cars? Today, we're exploring top picks, including the best car battery tester and charger, and even the best household battery tester. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or just need reliable power at home, stick around to see which tool fits your needs perfectly. Number 1. KONNWEI KW208 Battery Tester. Never worry about a dead battery again. The KONNWEI KW208 makes testing your car's battery quick and easy. It works with all 12V batteries, flooded, AGM flat plate, AGM spiral or gel, providing a clear view of battery health, charge, and performance in seconds. Its galvanized alloy clips and smart AI chip deliver over 99.7% accuracy, so you'll know when it's time to recharge or replace your battery. Plug-and-play design means it works in or out of your car, even with a fully dead battery. Beyond batteries, it also tests your starter and alternator, making it a one-stop tool for keeping your car in top shape. Compact and reliable, the KW208 is trusted by thousands of drivers and DIYers alike. Number 2. TOPDON BT100 Battery Tester. The TOPDON BT100 makes checking car, truck, or boat batteries fast and hassle-free. Compatible with all 12V lead-acid batteries, flooded, AGM, EFB, or GL, it provides a clear snapshot of battery health, charge, voltage, and current in seconds. This tester also works with motorcycles, RVs, SUVs, lawnmowers, and golf carts. With spark-proof, reverse polarity protected clamps and color-coded LEDs, it's safe and intuitive for first-time users. It goes beyond batteries by testing your starter and charging system, ensuring your alternator and generator are performing as they should. Compact, portable, and reliable, the BT100 is ideal for DIY enthusiasts and auto shops. Number 3. MOTOPOWER MP0514A Digital Battery Tester. The MOTOPOWER MP0514A delivers fast, precise battery and alternator testing. Plug it in and instantly see if your battery needs a jump-start replacement or if your alternator is charging properly. Its 4-digit digital display and 8 color-coded LEDs make reading results simple, while built-in reverse connection and overvoltage protection keeps you safe. With a 50 cm cable and sturdy alligator clips, it works with a variety of vehicles. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for garages, toolboxes, or your glove box. Number 4. ANCEL BA101 Battery Tester. The ANCEL BA101 is a compact, reliable tool for checking 12V car, truck, or boat batteries. It works with flooded AGM, GL, and EFB batteries, giving clear readings of battery health, voltage, and charge status. It also tests cranking and charging systems so you can ensure your engine and alternator are working properly. With 99.6% accuracy, a backlit LCD, and multi-language support, it's user-friendly for DIYers and auto shops alike. Safety features like reverse polarity, overcurrent short circuit, and overvoltage protections provide extra peace of mind. Number 5. VDIAGTOOL BT300 Battery Tester. The VDIAGTOOL BT300 is an all-in-one battery diagnostic tool for 6V and 12V lead-acid batteries, including AGM, GL, and VRLA types. It works with cars, motorcycles, trucks, SUVs, and boats. It provides a full snapshot of voltage, load, internal resistance, SOC, SOH, CCA, and charging/cranking performance. Plus, it tests the starter and alternator, ensuring your engine and charging system are ready for the road. Its 2.8-inch HD display, LED indicators, and one-touch testing make reading results fast and easy. Plug directly into your battery, no external power needed. Compact, reliable, and user-friendly, the BT300 is great for both DIYers and professional mechanics. Thanks for watching. If you found your ideal best battery tester for cars, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check the links below for the best car battery tester and charger, and the best household battery tester to keep your batteries healthy and reliable every time you hit the road.